Attention parents. All of the videos on How To Kids are kid-friendly, but direct adult supervision is required for all of them. We do not knowingly collect, use, or disclose personal information from children under age 13. If you are under age 13, you must ask your parent or guardian for permission to watch this video or any video on How To Kids. Parents, by allowing your child to watch this video, you are consenting to usage information being disclosed for advertising purposes, which is integral to the operation of this channel. If you do not consent, please stop watching the video now. Thank you and enjoy How To Kids.
Hey, welcome back to
How To Kids.
Yeah, today we are going to be making
Cookies.
cookies.
We're gonna have a special ingredient.
Yes, we have a special ingredient that is going to make our cookies really soft and chewy and yummy. Okay, so the very first thing we need is a medium-sized bowl, which is right here, and then we need some flour. Okay, so we need 1 3/4 cups of flour. So Tanner's gonna do that for us. And this is a great opportunity, parents, to help your children to learn math, to learn fractions, and to practice how to measure things out properly. And so with flour especially, it's tricky because they have to learn how to kind of tap the flour down so it gets the right amount. So Tanner's gonna practice that.
Get the knife.
Get up. Yep.
Oh, that one will work.
There you go. Poke it a couple times, tap it on the outside, make sure all the flour seeps down in there. Okay, yep, now scrape it across, flat across.
The other way.
Yeah, if you want to do it away from your hand, that's fine.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
I mean,
You're doing good. This is something everyone has to learn how to do, huh? You want to pour that in,
how
Tanner?
much cups do we need?
1 3/4.
No.
Okay, so how do we get 3/4, Tanner? Do you remember?
No, I get a 3/4
Just a second.
is
Just a second. We need more flour.
this is cool like that.
So we need another.
Is that cool? 2/4 is 1 full.
1/2.
Yeah, 1/2.
Yep.
So.
Okay, so we need another 1/2 cup.
Okay.
Get that. And then do the same thing here with this. Do you want me to help you?
I think I got it.
You got it? Okay. Okay, awesome. And scrape it straight across the top. Good job. There you go. It's easier if you go away from, yep, just like that. And do it again. Kind of like shoveling the snow off the top. Yeah, perfect. Good. Okay, dump it in our bowl. And then, so that's 1 1/2. Now we need another 1/4 of a cup. Our poor 4th cup measuring cup handle broke. So perfect. Dump it on in there. Okay, good job. Perfect. Now, Kate, we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Are you done with flour?
Yes, we're done with that. So here's 1 teaspoon. See how it says 1 teaspoon right there?
Yeah.
Okay, so you scoop it, get it full, and then how I just scrape it across the top when you pull it out. Yep. Oh, I think a little bit came out. Let's make sure it's the right amount. Thank you.
I get a pour.
Okay, perfect. Pour that in. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Eli's turn. We like to take turns around here, so make it fair.
Okay, that looks like the ingredient.
Alright,
Perhaps
Okay, go ahead, pour it.
1.5 teaspoon.
Okay, let's take our knife. Let's make sure it's kind of flat across the top there. Okay, pour that in. Ready? Okay, Eli, will you mix that up while we do something else over here?
Oh, you're gonna mix it
that
up.
up. Okay, Tanner, maybe I'll do, well, Tanner, do you want to do this? Can you pour the butter in here? Okay, now we need 3/4 cup of melted butter, which is nice because some recipes call for softened butter and I never remember ahead of time. So it's nice just to be able to melt it. Okay, and then we need some regular sugar and brown sugar, and they both call for 1/2 cup, so it's nice and easy to remember.
Now.
Okay, here you go. 1/2 cup of granulated
Oh,
sugar.
I thought it was. Oh, right. I gotta pour in the butter. One time.
Yes, that is 1/2 cup. You can always look at the side here to see how much this measuring cup is. Take your knife, go straight across the top, and then once it's 1/2 cup, pour it in with the butter. And then 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'll work on that. And you can pour it in for me, okay? Perfect.
Okay.
A little too low.
Look at
All
that.
right, Tanner, can you pour
Look what
that
I'm
in
doing.
with the butter?
Look what I'm doing.
And you know what? We need a
I'm
whisk.
scooping
Can
it.
you go get a whisk after you pour that?
What's a whisk?
Go ask Dad for a whisk. He can help you get one. Okay.
Oh, that's like frozen.
Okay, pour that
What
in.
I'm doing.
Good job. Good mixing.
Oh!
Whoa. Okay. Now this time for the secret ingredient, which is
Can I
instant
start with the
vanilla
big one?
pudding.
Can I
And it just
start with
calls
the
for, it just calls for the small box of it. And what's so good about this is this helps it to be soft. And in a lot of recipes, if you look them up, it'll say cornstarch, to add cornstarch, which is really good and helps it to be soft if you can get the right amount. But if you get too much, then it will start to affect the flavor of it. This is really good because you don't have to mess with the cornstarch. It's in the pudding. And it gives it a really yummy vanilla flavor, which is always good, but it's not too overbearing. It's just right. Yep, pour it in.
All of it?
Yeah, go ahead. And we're going to kind of start whisking
Ooh,
all the
that
ingredients.
looks cool.
This recipe also, you don't need a mixer. So it's super easy to do with kids. It's not as messy. You don't have ingredients flying everywhere. Okay, so get all that yummy pudding in there. And then mix it really good, okay? It's starting to smell really good. All right, Eli. Okay, we're getting messy over
This
here.
smells good.
Okay, now we're gonna add an egg. Where did our egg go? We're gonna add an egg over here, okay? You got it all in? Okay, let's do this. We need to mix that in.
That looks, I got
And then
some
need some
egg.
vanilla.
The egg looks so interesting.
1 teaspoon of vanilla is all that
The
this
egg
recipe calls
looks
for.
so interesting.
Okay.
Can I do the vanilla?
Do you want to do the vanilla? Yep.
You
can
mix
do
it.
the vanilla.
Please do mix it.
Okay,
Well,
that
it's
looks
looking
really
like
good.
dough now.
Now we're gonna bring this over here so Eli can
Like
pour in the
dough.
vanilla, okay? 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, pour that in, Eli.
like to pour it in.
Oh.
Oh, that's the
Here,
hard
help me
part.
pour a little
Eli.
bit more. Maybe we can put a little more on there.
That's the hard part, Eli.
Okay.
You did it. Good job.
Okay, can you pour that in?
Fast.
Okay,
He's like,
awesome.
fast.
Mix that around really good. And then we're gonna add the flour mixture to it. And this is a part also you don't wanna overmix because then you'll get tough cookies. And so,
Ready? Spatula.
yep,
Whoa.
so mix that around.
I need to wash
It's been
my
really
hands.
good. Wow, you are a little messy. Okay,
Hey, Mom, is that good?
yeah, that's looking good. Let's add some more of this. All right, keep going. All right, now let's get up kind of on the edges a little.
You can get a little messy, but not like super duper messy. You spill it out and then you get eat it. It's yummy.
Oh, if you spill it out, you get to eat it. There we go.
Yeah,
That's
that's
the
looking
benefit of
like
doing
that's
that.
looking like dough, Mom.
That's looking good, right?
Yeah, I
Okay.
really want some when it's done.
I know, it's gonna be really good. So we don't wanna mix it too much. We only wanna mix it until the flour is all mixed in. We don't see the white anymore. And the last ingredient is the chocolate chips, which you just wanna fold in. Okay, keep going. Pour them in. You can pour all of them, honey, all at once.
Oh.
There we go. Lots of chocolate chips. It calls for about 1 cup of chocolate chips. Obviously, you can use less or more. I think we had some
Can I try
little
some?
ones eating the chocolate chips before, so we probably have a few.
I
Smells really good. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill it. It's a kind of a secret if you don't want
so good.
your cookies to flatten, to cool them, and have them a little bit chilled so that then they don't spread on the pan and bake that way. So we're gonna go stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we'll come back and spoon them out onto the cookie sheet and cook them. Okay, we are back. We have our dough that's all chilled and ready to go. And we stirred it a little bit because if it's too hard to like handle, then it'll be a little too hard. You can let it sit out for just a few minutes. So ours has been sitting out just for a few minutes. Now we're ready to scoop them into little balls and put them on our cookie sheets. Parchment paper makes it easy to get off.
Make an idea.
We're gonna make an idea. I think this is a great idea to make cookies.
Let's do
Let's
it.
scoop it. Oh yeah, this is our technique right here. Doing an assembly line.
Get your spoon.
Okay, let's get a little more on that one.
No.
we're gonna go throw them in the oven. We preheated it at 350 degrees and for like 8 to 10 minutes. And you take them out when they're a little golden brown on the edges, but then they look a little bit like not a little bit undone in the middle. Okay, here we are with our finished cookies. They smell so good, right guys?
Yeah.
We're so excited to try them.
Wow.
So we pulled them out of the oven. We let them sit for 10 minutes on the cookie sheet because otherwise they will fall apart. So they're so soft and good. So leave them on the cookie sheet for 10 minutes and then enjoy. Should we try them?
Yeah.
Okay, grab one. Let's see how they taste. So good. So chewy too. Amazing. So chewy.
I have
Hey,
a lot of
guys,
chocolate
they're
in
so
my
good.
mouth.
So much chocolate. They're so good. Try them. You'll love them. Be sure to like and subscribe this video and check out our other How To Kids videos. We have some fun things over there. Okay, thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching How To Kids.